In September 2022, the world came dangerously close to a major conflict when a Russian pilot fired 2 missiles at a British RAF reconnaissance plane over the Black Sea. The aircraft, carrying 30 crew members, was flying in international airspace when the incident occurred. It all started with a vague order from Russian ground control. "You have the target." One Su-27 pilot took this as permission to fire, launching amidst its mark. The co-pilot, realizing no clear authorization had been given, shouted in alarm, sparking an intense argument in the cockpit. Despite the chaos, the first pilot attempted to fire again. This time, the missile malfunctioned or was aborted, dropping harmlessly from the aircraft. Initially dismissed as a technical malfunction, leaked communications later revealed this was a near shoot-down, a potential act of war. NATO has since increased air defenses, escorting surveillance flights to prevent such close calls.